In Matthew 16:18, Jesus gave us a great promise. I will build my church, and the gates of hell will not prevail against it. Satan doesn't like it when boys and girls give their heart to Jesus. Satan doesn't like it when men and women reconcile in their marriage. He is against us. But here's the best news in the world. Jesus is for us, and God's given us a great promise. Jesus is building His church, and He's going to do it through people like us here at Cartersville First Baptist. Cartersville in Bartow County is an amazing place to live. In fact, the Georgia Chamber of Commerce has pointed out that we're one of the fastest growing communities in the state. In 2010, Bartow County had 100,000 residents, but by the year 2030, we'll have over 200,000. What an incredible opportunity is before us to make an impact for the gospel. But here's the unfortunate reality. 82% of our people on any given Sunday in Bartow County aren't in church. 82%. So what an awesome harvest is before us if we'll be faithful to tell the story of Jesus to our neighbors and our friends right here in this community. In the last 2 years, our church has more than doubled. We've got more preschoolers, more elementary school children, high schoolers, young adults, growing families. God has been so good to the people of Cartersville First Baptist. As pastor, one of the things that's blessed me most is people who serve with their whole heart. I'm so thankful for our vision team that's been on their knees for the last year and a half, asking God for specific direction about how we can prepare for the wonderful growth that God's brought our way. Not just the growth that we've already enjoyed the last 2 years, but the growth that's inevitably coming because Bartow County is growing so fast. Because of the growth that God sent our way, many of our preschool, children, and student ministry areas are overcrowded. We have so many people. The vision team and I are so excited about the plan that God's put on our heart. The preliminary plans call for sufficient space to meet the growth needs that God has brought our way, and also space to prepare for the growth that's coming. Both of our Sunday morning worship services are at max capacity. Our staff has been praying for many weeks about whether to go to a third service or not. Regardless of whether we go to a third service, I'm grateful to God that the preliminary plans from the vision team also call for a new worship center. I want you to hear my heart. The reason the vision team and I are making you aware about this exciting project that's coming is so that you can be personally involved. We need your prayers. We need your support. Thousands of people in our community are hurting, whether it's drugs, brokenness, despair, loneliness. God has given us a glorious opportunity to make maximum impact in Bartow County and beyond. Join me this summer in praying with all your heart for God to give you specific, clear direction about how you and your family will be a part of this incredible opportunity that we have to touch Bartow County through Cartersville First Baptist Church. With God, all things are possible.